Sycamore Hill Writers' Workshop is a workshop for science fiction writers. Since its origin in 1985, it has been held in Raleigh, North Carolina, Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania, and most recently in Little, Switzerland, North Carolina. Currently organized by Richard Butner, Sycamore Hill was started by John Kessel and Mark L. Van Name. It is an invitation-only workshop for established SF, fantasy, and slipstream writers. Attendees have included Kelly Link, Carol Emshwiller, Harlan Ellison, Bruce Sterling, Connie Willis, Karen Joy Fowler, Jonathan Lethem, James Patrick Kelly, Robert Frazier, Ted Chiang, Benjamin Rosenbaum, and Don Webb, among many others. A collection of original stories from the 1994 workshop was published as the Anthology Intersections, the Sycamore Hill Anthology, edited by John Kessel, Mark L. Van Name and Richard Butner, Tor Books, 1996. It includes works by Richard Butner, Carol Emshwiller, Karen Joy Fowler, Robert Frazier, Gregory Frost, Alexander Jablokov, James Patrick Kelly, John Kessel, Nancy Kress, Jonathan Lethem, Maureen F. McHugh, Michaela Roessner, Bruce Sterling, and Mark L. Van Name. Orson Scott Card wrote about his experience at the Sycamore Hill Writers' Workshop in the essay on Sycamore Hill. Scholars such as Michael Collins identify Card's Sycamore Hill experience as marking a critical turning point in his career. Sycamore Hill is known to have shaped several award-winning stories and is featured in the acknowledgement pages of books like Ted Chiang's Arrival, Stories of Your Life. References. External links. Workshop webpage.